MT, mimicry is one of nature's most fascinating survival strategies, allowing prey animals to blend in confused predators or even appear dangerous. Across the animal kingdom, mimicry has evolved in remarkable ways, ensuring the survival of species that might otherwise be easy targets. Let's dive into the world of mimicry and explore 10 incredible examples of prey animals that have mastered this art to stay alive. The leaf-tailed gecko of Madagascar is a master of disguise. This lizard's body is shaped and coloured to resemble a dried, decaying leaf. With fringed edges that mimic the contours of a leaf's veins and imperfections, the gecko seamlessly blends into its environment, hiding from predators like birds and snakes. By remaining motionless during the day and becoming active only at night, the leaf-tailed gecko enhances its camouflage, ensuring its safety in the dense jungle. In the forests of Southeast Asia, the Malayan horned frog uses mimicry to an extraordinary degree. Its rough, angular body and skin perfectly resemble dead leaves scattered on the forest floor. When predators like birds or small mammals approach, the frog remains still, relying on its uncanny resemblance to its surroundings. This illusion is so convincing that even prey species often mistake the frog for a harmless piece of debris until it's too late. One of the most visually striking examples of mimicry is found in the mimic octopus. Discovered in Indonesian waters, this cephalopod can contort its body, change its color, and replicate the movements of venomous creatures like lionfish, sea snakes, and jellyfish. By imitating these dangerous species, the mimic octopus deters predators that would otherwise see it as an easy meal. Its adaptability allows it to adjust its mimicry depending on the threats in its environment, making it a survival expert in the marine world. The harmless milk snake benefits from its resemblance to the venomous coral snake, a classic example of Batesian mimicry. With its vivid bands of red, black and yellow, the milk snake confuses predators into believing it's highly venomous. This deceptive appearance is enough to make predators like hawks and mammals think twice before attacking. The rhyme red touches yellow, killer fellow, red touches black. Friend of Jack helps distinguish between the two, but predators don't take the risk of testing the pattern. Caterpillars often fall victim to hungry birds, but some have evolved ingenious methods of survival. Take the Hawk-Moth Caterpillar, which mimics the appearance of a snake. When threatened, the caterpillar inflates its body, revealing eye-like patterns that resemble a snake's head. This sudden transformation startles predators, giving the caterpillar time to escape. Despite being harmless, its convincing snake-like mimicry effectively deters even the bravest attackers. The African swallowtail butterfly starts its life as a larva that mimics bird droppings. This seemingly unappealing disguise helps the caterpillar avoid detection by predators like birds and reptiles. As it matures, the butterfly uses mimicry again, adopting the wing patterns of toxic species to avoid being eaten. These dual stages of mimicry demonstrate how adaptable this species is when it comes to evading predators throughout its life cycle. Another fascinating example is the Harlequin Filefish, a small reef-dwelling fish that uses both visual and chemical mimicry. This fish can match the colors and patterns of the corals it inhabits, making it nearly invisible to predators. Additionally, it can exude a scent similar to the coral, masking its presence even further. By blending seamlessly into its surroundings, the Harlequin Filefish avoids detection in an environment teeming with predators. The zone-tailed hawk, a surprising predator with mimicry of its own, benefits from looking like a non-threatening scavenger. By resembling turkey vultures in both appearance and flight pattern, the hawk is able to approach prey unnoticed. Small animals, accustomed to ignoring the harmless vultures, are caught off guard when the hawk suddenly dives to attack. Though technically a predator, its mimicry highlights how even hunters can use deception to their advantage. The green lacewing larva employs an ingenious form of mimicry to avoid detection. These tiny insects collect debris, bits of plants, and even the remains of their prey, attaching them to their backs to create a camouflage shield. Predators like spiders and birds often overlook these disguised larvae, mistaking them for part of the environment. This clever use of materials not only hides them, but also reinforces their survival strategy. Finally, the peppered moth serves as a classic example of evolutionary mimicry. During the Industrial Revolution in England, pollution darkened tree bark, leading the moth's population to shift from light-coloured individuals to darker ones. This change allowed them to blend into their soot-covered environment, avoiding predatory birds. Once pollution levels dropped, lighter moths re-emerged as the dominant variant, illustrating the adaptability of mimicry based on environmental changes. Mimicry demonstrates the lengths to which nature will go to ensure survival. From geckos that look like leaves to octopuses pretending to be venomous predators, these animals prove that deception is a powerful tool in the wild. Whether it's to blend in, frighten attackers, or impersonate something far more dangerous, mimicry remains one of the most effective survival strategies in the natural world.